Hello student, today I will discuss Geography second chapter, Physical Features of India. Last classes you have seen you have completed northern plain in India. What are their importance and different characteristics, different features. Today from this chapter, today I will discuss the Peninsular Plateau. So first, Peninsular Plateau. Peninsular Plateau, from this term peninsular, what is the definition of peninsular? Peninsular means a triangular landmass which is surrounded by water three sides and one side surrounded by land. That means the triangular landmass, three sides bounded by water, one side bounded by land. This is peninsular. And plateau, you know that it is a tableland surface. So India's southern portion, this total southern portion are also peninsular part. So from this topic, now the Peninsular Plateau is a tableland composed old crystalline igneous rock. So it is a old crystalline, it is the oldest landmass. You have seen from the beginning of this chapter, India was a part of Gondwana land. So from Gondwana land, India's southern block are separated and it touch with Eurasian plate. So the southern block is also composed old crystalline igneous rock. So on that part you have found igneous rock, and it is the oldest part in our country, southern part or Peninsular Plateau. So that's why it was formed due to the breaking and drifting from Gondwana land. I have told this, it was breaking and drifting from Gondwana land, and then these plateaus has broad and shallow valley and rounded hills. So this plateau region, these two sides having two mountain range and also different type of another features are also, physical features also found. That's why these Peninsular Plateau are divided into two parts. Peninsular Plateau is divided into two parts, Central Highland and Deccan Plateau. So first, Central Highland and Deccan Plateau. So if you will see India's physical map have in your book, you will found that in the center part of our country have lots of mountain ranges like Satpura, Binda, Aravalli. So in these areas, the center part of our country, northern part of Peninsular Plateau is known as Central Highland. This Central Highland and Deccan Plateau is divided or separated by Narmada River. So Narmada River separated, this is the Central Highland and this is the Deccan Plateau. So this Central Highland and Deccan Plateau is separated from Narmada River. So Narmada River, north of Narmada River, up to Aravalli Hills in the northwestern part and up to Charnakpur Plateau in the eastern extension of Central Highland. This Central Highland is composed by several type of mountain range. So that's why it is also important, and dense forests are also found in this Central Highland. Now Central Highland, the part of Narmada lying the Vindhyan range is bounded the Central Highland on the south and Aravalli in the northwest. It is the boundary. Vindhyan range in southern part is the Central Highland and Aravalli in the northwest. This is the northwest boundary, it is the south boundary of Central Highland. And also the flow of river draining this region, namely Chambal, Sindh, Betwa, Kin, from southwest to northeast. You have seen they are having some river which flowing from southwest to northeast direction. Southwest to northeast direction. That's why this river flowing indicate us the slope of that particular region. slope of that particular region. This is the different type of rivers which flow and meet with the Ganga river, and we can understand the slope of the Central Highland. Now, another part, Central Highland are wider in the west and narrower in the east. Wider and narrower in the east, like that. So that's why you can understand the western portion are wider and narrower from towards the east, and this eastward extension is called Bundelkhand and Baghelkhand. It is a local name. Bundelkhand and Baghelkhand, this is the local name. This is the eastward extension of Central Highland. So this Central Highland, I will again repeat this. The Central Highland is situated northern part of Narmada river. Central Highland is bounded in the northwestern part Aravalli, southern part Vindhya, and it is extended from east to west. Western portion is wider, eastern portion narrower. Some rivers are flowing from southwest to northeast, which indicate us the slope of that particular region. So Central Highland, up to this is the northern part of Peninsular Plateau. Now the southern part of Peninsular Plateau, south of Narmada, this is the Deccan Plateau. Actual triangular landmass, but triangular landform. This is the Deccan Plateau, and this Deccan Plateau is bounded by Eastern Ghat and Western Ghat mountain. I will explain later Eastern Ghat and Western Ghat mountain range. So first, the Deccan Plateau. This Deccan Plateau is a triangular landmass that lies the south of Narmada river. So south of Narmada river, you know, Narmada and Tapi, two west flowing river. When you will read the drainage chapter, I will explain it. Only two river in India which are flowing westward, that means discharge their water in Arabian Sea. That's why the Satpura range flank the broad base in the north, while Mahadev Kaimur hill, so many different small hill also present in that particular area. And that's why this Deccan Plateau is also a triangular landmass, and these Deccan Plateau's extension portion are also found, which is locally known as Meghalaya Plateau, which is extension of Deccan Plateau. This northeastern extension part of Deccan Plateau is separated by Chotanagpur hill, Chotanagpur Plateau region, which is also separated this Meghalaya Plateau and Deccan Plateau. And some small type of mountain, some small type of hills like Garo, Khasia, Jaintia are also present from west to east in Meghalaya. Meghalaya is a plateau region, it is a part of Deccan Plateau. So up to the Peninsular Plateau, these are the basic important information from that Central Highland and Deccan Plateau, and also their important features I have already told. You will read this, and next classes we will discuss about some difference between Western Ghat and Eastern Ghat. Thank you.